Hey everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do from the red, white, and blue deals savings going on at Home Depot for a Milwaukee canister vac, and it came with a free Inkzall pen. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hi everybody. Alright, so this video I am not going to do a guess what's in this box video. It's Home Depot, I don't know why, but Home Depot put this M18 tool only 0888 or 0882-20 canister vac. They put it on sale for the red, white, and blue deal days. But what's weird is when I got it, it was $120. But if you got it with a Milwaukee Inkzall pen, it was $89. Not really sure why they were doing that, but even Tool Review Zone, Clint over there at Tool Review Zone, he had seen the same thing. He got a Milwaukee older radio, didn't have Bluetooth, but it was cheaper because it had a Inkzall pen. On Home Depot, you know how it says, the item plus, and whatever else. So we're just gonna open this. This is an Inkzall pen. I'm like, why did they use such a big box for an Inkzall pen? I don't know why. It's kind of stupid, but so we're just gonna do an unboxing and we're gonna look at everything. It's a certified HEPA filter, fits all M18 batteries, comes included with compact vacuum 4-inch hose, or 4-foot hose. It's a 4-foot hose. HEPA filter, 2 extensions, a crevice tool, and a floor tool. Again, this is the M18 compact vacuum. I call it a canister vac because it looks just like a canister. There is specs on the back. Okay. So it shows the different ways you could use it. High performance motor. I don't think this is brushless. I believe it's brushed. Adapts from handheld to stationary. Portability of handheld, versatile attachment, trigger lock on feature. Accessories: 4-foot hose, 2 extensions, crevice tool, floor tool. It says over here, air volume 40 cubic feet a minute. Inlet diameter is 1 1/4. So it's the same as that suitcase vac. Canister volume is 36 ounces. Filter is a removable HEPA filter, and it weighs 4.3 pounds. Okay. Just stand it up real quick. Grab my knife. And we will be doing more reviews down the road. Probably going to be like 1-2 year reviews on a lot of these things. But I grabbed a couple of vacs. This one, I already had that one. I've had that one for a while. I grabbed the backpack vac, which you guys will see that video before this one. I like vacuums. I like them a lot. Okay, so here is your instruction booklet. M18, M12 pamphlet book. Crevice tools, the first thing. Floor tools, the first thing I took out, which looks similar to the floor tool on the M18 backpack vac. It's just a lot smaller. Okay. I really hope that they're not all like that. Look how damaged this hose is. It's completely bent. It stinks too. Might have to run this to Home Depot and, you know, get it exchanged. Here's the crevice tool. Because I'm not too happy with it being bent like that. I mean, come on, the packaging should not be that bad. Okay, here's the two extension poles. I mean, sometimes, you know, these things get damaged, but I don't think it's acceptable that it gets damaged because it was packaged wrong. It gets damaged because it was damaged by, you know, the shipper or something. That's fine. Then I could figure that out. Okay, so there's a little filter. Kind of twists just like the full-size filters that Milwaukee makes. Vac seems fine. Don't see anything wrong with the vac. Here's the two extensions. And this hose smells very weird. It's, you know, it's so weird how it's bent like that. You know, it would be very inappropriate for me to say what it smells like. But I mean, you guys can guess if you like in the comments below. Let's pop this little tiny box open real quick. Look at that. Inkzall pen. Fine ass box for a pen. I mean, you know, they could have put it in a tiny little baggie. So stupid. And some 10% dining and kitchen and bathroom pamphlet. Fine point Inkzall pen. Let me grab a small battery. Works pretty well. It does have the lock on right there. The attachments are all pretty similar to the backpack vac, except these are stationary extensions. They're not like collapsible like the backpack vac comes with. Oh, looks like you could straighten it out. Looks a lot better than it did. It's straightening it out somewhat, so maybe I'll keep it, and if I have an issue with it, then I'll take it back. But little wand. idea. And this, it says this is 4 feet, so I would assume this stretches to 4 feet. You know, but what you're going to be using it in, I highly doubt you're going to stretch it to 4 feet, but it's nice. I do like the attachments it came with. I'll be using this a little more frequently for quick cleanups into vehicles, where that one I'm going to be using more for, you know, sawdust and stuff like that, because I started using that one for cleanups and everything like that. But you don't get no code for, you know, the 10 tool giveaway and or the t-shirt giveaway per month. You don't get a code in this. I don't think a majority of the Milwaukee items don't come with those contest codes. I think it's only most of the fuel items that come with those codes. But all in all, it's a nice vac. I like the vacuum. I've been eyeballing it for probably about a year. I was eyeballing this vacuum way before I was eyeballing the suitcase style one. This is everything it comes with, except the 3.0 battery on it, but we're just going to leave that there for now. All in all, I like it. We'll do a review down the road. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.